Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to activate voice assistant with touch controls for your HONOR Earbuds X6. And firstly we need to add it to the gesture, because by default you cannot use gesture to call voice assistant. To do this, it's the same for Apple devices and Android devices. You need to open HONOR AI Live application, and after that you need to add your earbuds to the application. Then you will see them at the device list, and you just tap on it and you need to go to the shortcuts. Then we can add it only for the double press, so you need to select you wanna use the left earbud or right earbud to call your voice assistant. I'm going to use the left one, it's the same with the right one. You just tap on it and then select Wake Up AI Voice. And now let's check. So touch your ears on this earbud located at the back side, and right here at the top we have it. So let me press 2 times on it, 1, 2. And as you can see, I just wake up my Google Assistant. If you have iOS, you will call Siri, and maybe you set up Gemini on your Android, so then you will call Gemini. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.